Hey guys, how you going? Lockie here, just doing a quick guide on our dash camera in use with our Android 13 T-Series units. It's got a USB plugged in to a thumb drive, plugged into a USB stick. So all I've done is I've gone onto our website, onto the product page for the dash camera, and I have installed the APK file. It's on the product page, which will install like this. So if you go into, if you swipe up and you go to eSuperFile and USB storage, and you press that, you should be able to say, you should be able to click install. I've already installed it, so that should be quite easy. On the home page, you should be able to see a high definition recorder app plugged in. So the next step, we've only got one USB for our test bench, so I'll pull this out and I will simply plug in the USB, one second. So this is the USB that is attached to the main dash camera and the rear dash camera. So we're going to plug that one in like so, and we're back. So just plug that one in here, and there you go. So you can see this is the direction it would be facing. So that's the front camera, and then the rear camera, if you just click on the actual screen there, a bunch of options will pop up. So you just press that, and then this is the smaller camera, as you can see that I'm showing on screen here. So all of the functions work, and it's the right way up, which is good. So yeah, you can also take pictures, record, playback. So there's also obviously files and all that, and you can record on the video there. So yeah, awesome. Thanks for listening.